Welcome, health-conscious viewers. Today's topic delves into a favorite fast food item, the industrialized pizza. The lure of this fast food classic is undeniable. It's the picture of convenience, available in a myriad of flavors and ready to eat in minutes. As the pace of our lives has quickened, so too has our reliance on such quick and easy meals. Industrialized pizza, with its tempting blend of cheese, sauce, and a variety of toppings, has become a staple in many homes. It's the go-to comfort food, the easy answer to what's for dinner, and the star of casual get-togethers. But let's peel back the layers, much like the toppings on your favorite slice, and take a look at what lies beneath. However, behind the mouth-watering allure of industrialized pizza, there lies a significant impact on our health. Unveiling the hidden ingredients, we find a different story behind the taste and convenience. Industrialized pizzas are often laden with high sodium, saturated fats, and a host of additives and preservatives. Now, why should we be concerned about these ingredients? Let's break it down. High sodium content can lead to hypertension, a condition that affects 1 in 3 adults globally, according to the World Health Organization. Saturated fats, on the other hand, can elevate our cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease. And those additives and preservatives? They're not just there to extend shelf life. Some have been linked to allergies, asthma, and other health problems. But here's the kicker. These are just a few of the hidden dangers. There's a whole array of other unhealthy ingredients lurking in that delicious, convenient, ready-to-eat pizza. As we can see, what makes these pizzas so tantalizing can also contribute to health issues. But fear not, pizza lovers, there are healthier alternatives that don't skimp on taste. Now let's delve into the world of homemade pizza, where you hold the reins and determine what goes into your food. Imagine crafting a perfect crust, not with refined white flour, but with whole wheat or even cauliflower. These alternatives not only add a unique flavor profile to your pizza, but also pack in the benefits of fiber and essential nutrients. Then, picture the sauce, rich and flavorful, made from fresh, vine-ripened tomatoes, not loaded with sodium or preservatives. You could even experiment with pesto or a drizzle of high-quality olive oil for a change. Next comes the cheese. Opt for low-fat mozzarella or a sprinkle of flavorful Parmesan instead of the high-fat processed cheeses often found in industrialized pizzas. And then, the toppings. The possibilities are endless, from a rainbow of fresh vegetables to lean proteins like grilled chicken or tofu. You can create a masterpiece that's both pleasing to the palate and beneficial for your health. Consider the joy of gathering around the kitchen, preparing your pizza from scratch, knowing every ingredient that goes into it, and sharing a meal that's not just delicious, but also nourishing. The power to enjoy a delicious pizza without compromising our health is in our own kitchen. Let's embrace this power and transform the way we enjoy our beloved pizza. Striking a balance between indulgence and health is key. When it comes to industrialized pizza, it's not about completely eliminating it from your diet, but rather about understanding its place within a balanced lifestyle. Consider it as an occasional treat rather than a dietary staple. On the other hand, healthier alternatives, such as homemade pizzas, can be a regular part of your meals. When you make your own pizza, you're in control of what goes into it. You can opt for whole grain crusts, lean proteins, and a rainbow of fresh vegetables. These ingredients not only add a burst of flavor, but also provide essential nutrients that contribute to your overall well-being. In essence, it's about finding a middle ground where you can enjoy the foods you love while also nourishing your body. So go ahead and enjoy that slice of pizza, but also take time to explore healthier options that are just as delicious. Remember, a slice of your favorite pizza now and then won't harm, but a balanced approach to eating will keep you healthy in the long run. As we wrap up, let's remember the key points about industrialized pizza and healthier alternatives. We've uncovered the hidden ingredients in many store-bought pizzas and the health implications they carry. We've also explored the delights of homemade pizza, where you control the ingredients and can opt for more nutritious choices. The takeaway? Balance and moderation. Next time you're craving a slice, remember, you can enjoy your pizza and keep it healthy too.